All right, Daniel, your last 64th. This is a 2010 JADA Tahoe with the CIA decals on it. Ta-da! All the decals were left alone. You can see your lights in the rear window and front window. Kind of hard to do the window lights on these, like especially with blacking the windows out. So you kind of have to leave a little spot for those to shine through, and then a little trick inside there to kind of keep as much light as possible from shining through, so it doesn't show them too badly. But of course, they have to come through somewhat so you can see them. This one has flashing headlights and taillights, blue strobes on the grille, front windshield, and rear visor as well. Same deal with this one, of the 23A battery inside the car. Easy enough to change. Take the two screws out of the bottom right here and here. And this bottom will lift off. There are a couple wires that run from the switch to the actual body of the car. So you have to be careful when you take that off. And then, of course, when you put it back together, so you don't pinch the wires with the screw. So, anyway, this one turned out pretty cool. Like I said, it got some, you wanted all blue added to this one. Let's go ahead and turn it on here. You can already see blue. Again, the flashing headlights, your grille strobes, and front window are offset, so the right one flashed with the left windshield light and vice versa. Kind of give it again, like an offset wig-wag look to it. And on the rear, of course, flashing tail lights. And then you have your blue lights in the rear window. The way these are set up, that window's so narrow in the back, it's hard to put LEDs in there. They're kind of in the center of that window, but still turn out pretty cool. I think anyway, they look pretty good. So there you have it. Again, I'll try to pack these in a piece of foam where I can just cut a rectangle out, set these down in the foam. That'll kind of preserve the mounting of the antennas. Worst case, you can glue them back on when you get them, but that should keep them in place. Again, this one does roll as the rest of them. Doors do open on this. Of course, again, with them being gutted inside to make room for the battery and the circuit board and everything, there's not a whole lot going on in there, but at least the doors do open. All right, man. I appreciate it. Like I said, once again, I'll get these shipped out to you. I think we're settled up. I don't have the invoice in front of me, but I'm pretty sure we're settled up. So get them shipped out to you. I'll try to get them out tomorrow. Appreciate it. Thank you.